the impeachment of VP Sara Duterte in aid of allocation. Natatakot siya na hindi siya mabibigyan ng pondo kung hindi siya pipirma sa impeachment. Bumoto ba ng yes? Maririlisan? Yung bang bumoto ng no? At yung mga abstain? Maririlisan?
The gentleman from Caloocan is 10 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. With due respect to the members of the Justice Committee, I cannot in conscience agree that this Congress has the moral ascendancy to claim that the impeachment process is genuinely in pursuit of our constitutional mandate to uphold accountability. Why? Number one, the process beginning the 19th Congress is already tainted. Ito po ay pagpapatuloy lamang ng proseso na naganap ng 19th Congress. It is marked by hundreds of billions in infrastructure allocations and massive ayuda programs to cooperating legislators in the 19th Congress. The allegations of maleta and paper bags of cash during the impeachment process in the 19th Congress, hindi pa po ito naimbestigahan at hindi pa nare-resolve. One of the prime movers of the impeachment in the 19th Congress is Saldico, who resigned and left the country. Nakapagdududa. Dahil yung mismong nangunguna sa impeachment process ang siyang may hawak ng bilyong-bilyong pondo na nawala, nadala sa mga alokasyon, nadadala sa mga flood control at anomalous projects. Maraming mga pahayag na nakakabahala, ngunit hindi natin ito iniimbestigahan. Kung susuriin lang natin ang mga allocation sa mga distrito ng mga legislators na aktibo sa impeachment process noong nakaraan, marami pa rin mga aktibo ngayon. In particular, in the 2024 and the 2025 national budget, magugulat tayo sa laki nito. Even in my opponent in the last elections, the 2025 elections, publicly admitted that she signed the impeachment of VP Sara Duterte in aid of allocation. Natatakot siya na hindi siya mabibigyan ng pondo kung hindi siya pipirma sa impeachment. These circumstances put serious doubts. Is this accountability or is this about political leverage? After the impeachment vote in the plenary, let us examine the status of the four later release allocations. Let us see if this correlates with how members will be voting in the 20th Congress. Yung bumoto ba ng yes? Maririlisan? Yung bang bumoto ng no? At yung mga abstain? Maririlisan? Malalaman natin ang katotohanan sooner or later. Ang impeachment na ito ay maliwanag na disenyo ng Marcos administration, hindi para malaman ang buong katotohanan at para panagutin, kundi upang pabagsakin ang kalaban sa politika at upang makalusot sa pinakamalaking nakawan sa kasaysayan ng bansa. Ginagamit ang mga institusyon na dapat ay neutral tulad ng NBI, COA at AMLAC. This impunity, nakakabahala po.